Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the invitation. It's a pleasure to be here today. I should say it's an honor, and I have a certain emotion to speak today here because the T2S project is finished, as we were discussing before with Armina. It has been a long travel from the start, from the first idea that we have pushed to the Governing Council, and where we have received the support of the ECB Governing Council. It is 10 years almost, so it's a long travel, but a successful travel. As you refer to all the nice people we meet in this travel, there were a lot of adventures, and it was a very good and very nice project. I'm very happy to finish here in the end, celebrating T2S Start. T2S started live already in 2015, but the true end of the project has been with the realization of the final wave, and we had this special gift in this final wave, that the integration in the region took place. So it's the first time ever in Europe where three FMIs are coming to, financial market infrastructures, are coming together in one. So three countries, one central securities depository. This is a unique example of integration by consolidation in Europe today. It is really a great achievement, and for me, who is working in this field for so long to promote integration, it's really an honor and a pleasure to be there today. All the benefits that we can see from that are, you will see a much more efficient market infrastructure, and would be curious to see with you over the next months how this will materialize in your countries and markets to meet your financial needs, the development of your industry, and in particular of the private debt instruments. T2S, maybe a status of debt to say what has been realized. So as I said, what has happened in the last wave, the final wave, has been simply, so your countries and Spain who joined the market, who was already there for 90% migrated on the platform. So now we are at 100% as we have finished the migration process, even though we are waiting one country who stepped out of the process, as you know, a bit north from here. Finland, they should maybe look more closely at your capacity to manage projects in your countries. And we are now with an average level of transaction per day, which will be around expected of more than 500,000 transactions settled per day, for an amount of euros of, yes, about 800 billion euros per day, settled every day in real time for most of the transactions, allowing a swift circulation of securities and cash all over Europe. This is done thanks also to the harmonization effort we have done all over Europe, and I will come back to this later. We can compare this to a tsunami, but a positive one, a series of waves which allow gradually to mature the platform up to the point where we are today with the final wave. And this achievement has been possible thanks to the cooperation with you, the CSDs, the central banks, and all the market participants which were involved in this project, where we have put in place a whole governance structure, inviting also the banks to participate and to join, in particular, in the effort to agree to work in the same manner all together in Europe. This is recognized, obviously, in the press, so I do believe that this will come to reality also in financial benefits, in the way the market will be more efficient. The access to the market for financing, for equities, for debt instruments, for government or for corporates will be easier and will allow to access wider market, which is very important for a smaller market like you have in your countries, because it will give you a customer base, investor base, and capacity to issue much broader at a domestic price. Even though to go there, there is a bit more to do still. But your region have shown a way which I think is showing a lot of interest. As I said, this works because we have been evolved to revolutionize, or at least make an evolution in the capacity to integrate the way we work together in Europe. So the big agenda that we have driven, besides the technical project of creating one single technical platform, has been to develop an harmonization agenda so that we can work all together in the same manner. So we had a strong impetus to change the disharmonized way we were working, the fragmented way we were organizing our markets in a certain way, so that we can get the key benefits. The key benefits, we can sum up them to just a few of them. Harmonization and a single road book was a very important one that we have achieved thanks also to the collaboration with the Commission. It was mentioned that we have the CSD regulation who has been implemented. You are the first authorized CSD, as it was just said a minute ago, which was a very important aspect, but also all the work with the practitioner on agreeing on the way we are working together has been going a long way. We have also managed through this technical platform to bring together the same type of interface to the market, the same type of technology to discuss together within the market. So now the 20 CSDs which are connected for Europe can speak the same language. Even though there is still some barriers that we will try to take away, at least we have gone a long way, at least on the settlement part. Maybe 2 points which are really concrete and in particular interesting also as a benefit for the market participant is that we are creating the possibility to have a single pool of collateral available through a single settlement platform, so you can move collateral as swiftly as possible to the central bank account to get liquidity or to a partner in a repo market to get liquidity from that partner. So the single pool of cash and collateral is really just there. Technically, it's available. We need to be a bit more to get there, and we are doing this a bit more together with you. And finally, the single gateway to Europe is a very important one. It was mentioned also by Armina, the capacity that we need to attract international investors also to our markets is very important. And that will give much more impetus for international from the other side of the ocean, should be in one direction or the other, to join our markets and invest in our market. And this is important also for us. I was saying a lot of work has been done together with the market, and this is the illustration of this work. As you know, we have done a series of criteria for harmonization, which was very important, and we have achieved a long way there. So the best color is blue, the ECB flag color, sorry. 70% were fully accomplished, but altogether we are close to over 90%, close to 95% of harmonization. Just a few fields of effort are still necessary on some specific harmonization element in a few countries. And this is a very long way. I mean, this has required, I look at you in particular, this has required effort also on the government side because they had to change laws for some of those harmonization. And changing law, we know, is not an easy process in any country. And we had to change law up to the biggest country of Europe also. So it was really a strong undertaking and has shown a good direction to deliver an integrated financial market. But the story is not finishing there. We have more to come. Looking just already at T2S, the Target 2 Securities Platform, more is coming. As I said, we have new countries to take on board which have not been able to join so far. So there is a new CSD in Slovakia. There is the Finnish CSD who has to catch up. I understand they are catching up with their project, so they will join us sometime ahead, probably in 2019. We are waiting to hear from them when they will be ready. But in between, a big event is coming in, is that we will have a second central bank money on the platform, which is the Danish krona next year will join. As you know, T2S is also a European project in the EU single market definition. So we are looking at CMU as a single market and supporting the CMU development. And therefore, we will accept other currency provided it's central bank money. And Denmark Central Bank, National Bank, have signed with us a contract which will make that they will join the platform T2S with Danish krona because they're already there with ECB, with Euro, sorry. But they will join us next year. And that is a very important undertaking because it will be the first I would say, currency central bank money platform in the world. So new market and new currency will be also looked at. You can see neighbors in the region also not far away that NASDAQ may know very well, for instance, who may consider to join. But also other countries of Europe may decide to join the big platform to facilitate the circulation of debt instruments and also access to collateral and therefore to liquidity for the market participants. In all this work, as I said, we work close hand in hand with the Commission. We believe strongly in the CMU. We support with the Governing Council strongly the CMU activities. Recently, a European Post-Trade Forum published a report which also giving some landmarks on the key points where we are progressing. And the T2S community and the ECB, together with the Governing Council, are supporting all this work. And we are also trying to develop this further. So there were already concrete deliveries, as I said, harmonization in T2S, technical platform when we have to develop technical platform on our side, CSDR, so the regulation made by the Commission, also in articulation with us. We work closely with ESMA also to simplify processes. So all this is what developed T2S, but beyond T2S, we believe that we can do more to integrate, in particular, I would say, the money market and the money market transaction settlement. In this regard, we have embarked in a series of projects which will allow us to bring our platforms, Target2 and T2S, both the RTGS for payment systems, the real-time gross settlement system for payment, and our platform for security settlements to a new level of operation. So we can be more efficient also in terms of running costs, but as well more efficient in terms of bringing new technological development, being stronger in cyber resilience topic, which are key items on our agenda these days, and therefore to develop a new level of service. So it's not because we have developed this platform that we are at the end of the story. We will upgrade as necessary our services to bring Europe at the best level of service. In addition to that, we create another service which is less directly related to that on instant payment, but which shows the appetite of Europe to bring new technology and new challenges in this platform. And I guess for you in particular, in this region of Europe, where you are very good at new technology and testing e-services very much, you will appreciate that we follow you and we look at what you are doing, and I think together we can benefit from our mutual knowledge. With this, I want to thank you very much for all this and to congratulate warmly all the ones who have participated to this project, the CSD, I mean, Indars and Armina, your team has been amazing, I think. It's not an easy undertaking, what you have done. It's really amazing. Bring together 3 CSDs and going on a platform with a CSDR regulation at the same time, it's a strike, we can say. So really well done.